Hello, everyone. It's Easter Day, so let's learn how to say Happy Easter in Twi. It's a little bit of a mouthful, but with practice, you can do it. So let's start. And I have someone here who I'll let her say it. So Happy Easter, we say it, Memawo, Yesu, Wasore Dapa. Memawo Yesu wasore dapa. Memawo is I wish you. Yesu is Jesus Christ. Wasore is either risen or resurrection. Da is day. Pa is very. So it's I wish you a happy resurrection day, or I wish you a very happy Easter. Very stand for the pa. So either one. So let's try it again. Memawo.
Mema
Yesu.
Yesu
Wasore.
wasore
Dapa.
dapa.
Memawo.
Mema
Yesu.
Yesu
Wasore.
wasore
Dapa.
dapa.
It's Yesu, not Yesu.
I slayed that.
Okay. All right, you slayed it? Okay.
Slayed the period.
Memawo. Yesu. Wasore. Dapa. Say all yourself.
Mema Yesu wasore dapa. Slay.
Great job. Do it again.
Mema Yesu wasore dapa. Slay.
All right. So Memawo Yesu wasore dapa. She did a good job about as in Twi is all about the tone. We don't slang it, but great job. So practice. Memawo Yesu wasore dapa. Memawo Yesu wasore dapa. All right, take care and have a great and happy Easter. Bye.